Mammo.com's Training Academy provides comprehensive training to field service engineers on how to service Hologic Selenia and Hologic Dimensions mammography systems. Our experienced educators have over 20 years of experience working with these systems, and they provide a hands-on approach to solving the various issues that arise. The Training Academy is designed to give engineers a close look at the inner workings of these mammography systems and to provide them with the knowledge and skills they need to install, calibrate, replace parts, and perform a wide range of maintenance tasks. During the class, our trainers cover everything from basic system setup and installation to more complex issues, such as troubleshooting and resolving technical problems. They use a combination of lecture-style presentations, interactive demonstrations, and hands-on training exercises to help participants understand the complex systems. Our trainers provide students with detailed information on how to perform tasks such as replacing the X-ray tube, detector, and other critical parts. Additionally, they also discuss best practices for system maintenance and repair, ensuring that participants leave the class with a complete understanding of how to keep these systems running smoothly. In addition to the hands-on training, our Training Academy also provides a variety of resources and support services to help participants continue their education and professional development. We understand that maintaining the Hologic Selenia and Hologic Dimensions mammography systems requires ongoing learning and skill building, and we are committing to providing field service engineers with the resources they need to succeed. Whether you are a seasoned veteran or a newcomer to the field, Mammo.com's Training Academy has the expertise and resources you need to advance your career and become a more effective and efficient field service engineer.